According to Erickson's psychological development theory, autonomy versus shame and doubt is seen which stage of growth and development: infancy, preschool, toddler, adolescent. Correct answer is C, toddler. Calcium, potassium and sodium are classified as which of the following: androgens, electrolytes, estrogens, prostaglandin. Correct answer is B, electrolytes. After abdominal surgery, the circulating and scrub nerves have critical responsibility about sponge and instrument count. Counting is performed thrice during the pre-incision phase, the operative phase and closing phase. Who counts the sponges, needles and instruments? The scrub nurse only, the surgeon and assistant surgeon, the circulating nurse only, the scrub nurse and circulating nurse. Correct answer is D, the scrub nurse and circulating nurse. Which of the following best describes superficial, partial, first-degree burn? Structures beneath the skin and damage. Epidermis and dermis are both damaged. Dermis is partially damaged. Epidermis is damaged. Correct answer is D, epidermis is damaged. The triage category of victims in mass casualties are red, blue, green, black, green, yellow, red, black, green, yellow, black, blue, yellow, blue, green, black. The correct answer is B, green, yellow, red, black. A patient is scheduled for a magnetic resonance imaging scan for suspected lung cancer. Which of the following is a contraindication to the study for this patient? The patient is allergic to shellfish. The patient has a pacemaker. The patient suffers from claustrophobia. The patient takes antipsychotic medication. The correct answer is B, the patient has a pacemaker. Stomatitis is the disease of stomach, mouth, rectum, kidney. Correct answer is B, mouth. Which of the following blood test is most indicative of cardiac damage? Lactate dehydrogenase, complete blood count, troponin I, creatinine kinase. Correct answer is C, troponin I. What would be the nursing care for a child with increased intracranial pressure? Weighing daily before feeding, checking reflex checks every 10 minutes, assess for falls, elevating it higher than it. And the correct answer is D, elevating head higher than the hips. In subcutaneous injections are given at the angle of 15 degree, 45 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree. Correct answer is D, 45 degree. With aging, blood pressure is often higher due to loss of muscle mass, changes in exercise and diet, decreased peripheral resistance, decreased elasticity in arterial wall. And the correct answer is D, decreased elasticity in arterial wall. Each female breast consists of 20 lobes, 30 lobes, 15 lobes, 14 lobes. Correct answer is A, 20 lobes. Which of the following disease is common in carpet factory in Nepal? Tuberculosis, lung cancer, bronchitis, pneumonia. Correct answer is B, lung cancer. Vitamin A is needed for the formation of cones, rhodopsin, aqueous, ciliary body. Correct answer is B, rhodopsin. The proteins which are used in nutrition as reference proteins are milk proteins, meat proteins, soybean proteins, egg proteins. Correct answer is D, egg proteins. Permanent teeth appears between the age of 8 to 10 years, 10 to 12 years, 12 to 14, 6 to 24. Correct answer is D, 6 to 24 years. In which type of diabetes the urea of oral hypoglycemic drug is used? Insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, both A and B, none of the above. Correct answer is B, non-insulin dependent diabetes. Low birth weight babies are at a higher risk dying in the first week of life due to congenital anomaly, birth injury and infection, birth injury, convulsion and asphyxia, convulsion, congenital anomaly and hypothermia, asphyxia and infection. The correct answer is D, hypothermia, asphyxia and infection. Apply supportive bandage is related to the management of phlebitis, phlebothrombosis, mucous membranes thrombosis. The correct answer is B, phlebothrombosis. How many types of antibody immunoglobulin? 2, 3, 4, 5. Correct answer is D5. Assigning right job to the right people is the function of management, which comes under planning, organizing, staffing, controlling. Correct answer is C. Staffing. A few minutes after starting blood transfusion, patient complains chills and rigor. Which of the following must be the nurse's first step? Inform the doctor, assess patient vital signs, clamp the tubing, prescribe antihistamine. Correct answer is B. Assess the vital signs. Closed water seal drainage may be required on the following condition: pneumothorax, asthma, dry pleurisy, none of the above. Correct answer is C. Dry pleurisy. During CPR, if your rescue breathing is appropriate, which finding will you act? Pupils are dilated, chest rises when air is forced in, heart sound is heard, pupils are equal and normal in both eyes. Correct answer is B. Chest rises when air is forced in. A nurse caring for a female client who has suicidal tendency, when accompanying the client to the restroom, nurse should keep her privacy, allow her to urinate, open the window and allow her to get some fresh air, observe her constantly. Correct answer is D. Observe her constantly. What is the rationale that nurse administers serum albumin to a client? Clotting of blood, formation of red blood cell, activation of white blood cells, maintenance of oncotic pressure. Correct answer is D. Maintenance of oncotic pressure. Which of the following is a correct nursing action when collecting urine specimen for culture from a client with an indwelling catheter? Detach catheter from the connecting tube and draw the specimen from the port. Use sterile syringe to aspirate urine specimen from the drainage port. Insert the syringe straight to the port to allow self-sealing of the port. Collect urine specimen from the drainage bag. And the correct answer is B. Use sterile syringe to aspirate urine specimen from the drainage port. Which of the following is the appropriate route of administration of insulin? IM, IT, IV, SC. Correct answer is D. SC. During laryngeal obstruction, an airway opening is made to maintain open airway, which is also known as tracheostomy, that performed in trachea, larynx, pharynx, bronchus. Correct answer is A. Trachea. Purpose of cold application: to reduce pain, burning sensation, to reduce fever, to reduce inflammation, to prevent infection. Correct answer is B. To reduce fever. A nurse caring for a patient with a new diagnosis of cancer observes the patient becoming angry with physicians and nursing staff. The best approach to diffuse the emotionally charged discussion is to allow the patient and family members time to be alone. Arrange time for the patient to speak with another patient with cancer. Direct the discussion and validation of emotion without false reassurance. Request a consultation from a social worker on the oncology. Correct answer is C. Direct the discussion and validation of emotion with false reassurance. Which of the following assessment finding is typical of extracellular fluid loss? Distended jugular veins, elevated hematocrit level, rapid therapy pulse, increased sodium level. The correct answer is A. Distended jugular veins. Which of the following assessment data is expected in a patient admitted with extracellular fluid excess, elevated hematocrit level, rapid therapy pulse, distended jugular pressure, increased serum albumin level? Correct answer is C. Distended jugular pressure. A patient with dehydration following diarrhea should receive isotonic fluid, hypotonic fluid, hypertonic fluid, distilled water. Correct answer is A. Isotonic fluid. If the nurse aide discovers fire in a client's room, the first thing to do is call the nurse in charge, try to put out the fire, open a window, remove the client. Correct answer is D. Remove the client. Exercises that move each muscle and joint are adduction, range of motion, abduction, rotation. Correct answer is B. Range of motion. The couple having difficulty to conceive jointly after first child is called primary infertility, secondary infertility, subfertility, pregnancy wastage. Correct answer is B. Secondary infertility. The most common hematological problem during pregnancy is hypertension, anemia, polycythemia, coagulation disorder. Correct answer is B. Anemia. Dual or multiple commands is a source of motivation, conflict, self-confidence, satisfaction. Correct answer is B. Conflict. Most emergency hernia is incisional hernia, inguinal hernia, Richards hernia, strangulated hernia. Correct answer is D. Strangulated hernia. The best time to administer injection Lasix is in the early morning, mid-afternoon, at bedtime, before meal. Correct answer is A. Early morning. The system which is known as subsidiary of the circulatory system is known as lymphatic system, urinary system, respiratory system, endocrine system. Correct answer is A. Lymphatic system. The infective type of food poisoning is caused by Salmonella, Staphylococcus, Clostridium, E. coli. Correct answer is A. Salmonella. A nurse is caring for a patient with a spinal cord injury during the immediate post-injury period. What is the primary focus of nursing care during the immediate phase? Inhibiting urinary tract infection, preventing contractures and atrophy, avoiding flexion and hyperextension of the spine, preparing the client for vocational rehabilitation. Correct answer is C. Avoiding flexion or hyperextension of the spine. The most complication of therapy for diabetes mellitus is weight gain, hypoglycemia, delay wound healing, kidney failure. Correct answer is C. Delay wound healing. Accomplishment of objectives through the effort of others is administration, management, leadership, planning. Correct answer is B. Management. Which of the complication may cause due to prolonged suctioning of the tracheostomy? Anorexia, hypoxia and cardiac arrest, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain. Correct answer is B. Hypoxia and cardiac arrest. A client is admitted to the hospital with blunt chest trauma due to road traffic accident. The first nursing action for him would be to assist the client's airway, encourage deep breathing and coughing, provide pain relief, sprint the chest wall with a pillow. Correct answer is A. Assist the client's airway. The nurse in charge identifies a patient's responses to actual or potential health problems during which step of the nursing process: assessment, nursing diagnosis, planning, evaluation. Correct answer is B. Nursing diagnosis. The human body temperature is regulated by kidney, lungs, heart, hypothalamus. Correct answer is D. Hypothalamus. What is leukemia? Lack of RBC, infection of RBC, lack of platelets, abnormal and rapid growth of WBC. Correct answer is D. Abnormal and rapid growth of WBC. What is the priority nursing intervention on admission of priming gravida in labor? Monitoring the fetal heart rate, asking the client when she at last, obtaining the client's health history, determining if the membranes have ruptured. Correct answer is A. Monitoring the fetal heart rate. Osteomalacia is caused by deficiency of vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin K. The correct answer is C. Vitamin D. Purification of water on large scale is done in the three main stages. They are storage, filtration, chlorination. Filtration, storage, chlorination. Chlorination, storage, filtration. Filtration, chlorination, storage. Correct answer is A. Storage, filtration, chlorination. The most helpful investigation during evaluation of angina, chest pain and emergency department is chest X-ray, PA view, ECG, CPK, ambient tropi, CT chest. Correct answer is B. ECG. The functional unit of nervous system is neuron, cerebrum, spinal nerve, horn cell. Correct answer is A. Neuron. A patient had extensive prolonged surgery. Which electrolyte levels should the nurse monitor most closely? Sodium, calcium, chloride, potassium. Correct answer is D. Potassium. Which action occurs primarily during the evaluation phase of the nursing process? Data collection, decision making and judgment, priority setting and expected outcomes, reassessment and audit. And correct answer is D. Reassessment and audit. How should you open the airway of an unconscious casualty with head and neck injury? Head tilt and chin lift, jaw thrust, head tilt and jaw thrust, left lift the chin. Correct answer is B. Jaw thrust. To obtain a specimen for sputum culture and sensitivity, which of the following instruction is the best? Upon waking up, cough deeply and expectorate into container. Cough after sleep breathing. Save sputum for 2 days in covered container. After respiratory treatment, expectorate into a container. The correct answer is A. Upon waking up, cough deeply and expectorate into container. Presence of air in the pleural cavity is known as hemothorax, hematuria, pneumothorax, pleural effusion. Correct answer is C. Pneumothorax. After surgery, leg exercise helps to improve respiratory functions, self-return, venous return, abdominal pain. Correct answer is C. Venous return. Providing nursing care or actual nursing care comes in assessment, planning, intervention, evaluation. Correct answer is C. Intervention. Gloves should be removed and hands washed only after home care, when leaving the room, after completing all care for the patient, when the specific task is completed. Correct answer is D. When the specific task is completed. Oxygen saturation is measured by pulse oximeter, thermometer, manometer, pulse transducer. Correct answer is A. Pulse oximeter. Measuring outcomes of nursing care comes in assessment, planning, intervention, evaluation. The correct answer is D. Evaluation. Feeling of internal organs by hands is the palpation, auscultation, inspection, manipulation. Correct answer is A. Palpation. Poor oxygenation of the blood will affect and cause the pulse to become bounding, irregular, faster, slower. Correct answer is C. Faster. The information data, objective data, information about education or description of joint mobility, assessment of breath sounds or description of pain. Correct answer is C. Assessment of breath sounds. Increased pulse rate than normal is tachycardia, bradycardia, tachypnea, bradypnea. Correct answer is A. Tachycardia. Ethical dilemmas can best be solved by relationship, ethical principles, home care nurses, code of ethics for nurses. Correct answer is A. Relationship. Decreased respiratory rate than normal is tachycardia, bradycardia, tachypnea, bradypnea. Correct answer is D. Bradypnea. When nursing an older adult, nurse should remember to avoid touching the client, shifting from subject to subject, allowing the client to remain quiet, asking the client how he or she feels. Correct answer is A. Touching the client. The most effective way to break the chain of infection is by hand washing, wearing clothes, placing patient in isolation, providing private rooms for all patients. Correct answer is A. Hand washing. Cardinal symptom includes temperature, pulse and respiration, temperature and pulse, temperature and respiration, pulse and respiration. Correct answer is A. Temperature, pulse and respiration. The nurse who collaborates directly with the client to establish and implement a plan of care is the primary nurse, nurse clinician, clinical specialist, nurse coordinator. Correct answer is A. Primary nurse. The nurse is planning to review the plan of care for the client. What is the determining factor in the revision of a nursing plan of care? Time available for care, validity of the problems, method for providing care, effectiveness of interventions. Correct answer is D. Effectiveness of interventions. When promoting effective learning, developing attitudes in a client with a newly diagnosed disease, the nurse must first consider the influence of the client's past experiences, total stress of the situation, client's personal resources, type of onset of the disease. Correct answer is A. Client's past experiences. The nurse understands that communication, social surroundings, materialistic surroundings, physical surroundings, environmental surroundings. Correct answer is A. Social surroundings. The effectiveness of nurse-client relationship is best validated by client feedback, healthcare team, medical assessment, client's physiologic adaptation. Correct answer is A. Client feedback. The client with the allergies to bee has arrived to the unit with a bee sting, who is having trouble breathing. The nurse is aware that the client could die from ischemia, asphyxia, lactic acidosis, antihistamines. Correct answer is B. Asphyxia. It is most important that the nurse observe that client who has had extensive prolonged surgery for the depletion of which electrolytes, sodium, calcium, chloride, potassium. Correct answer is D. Potassium. With respect to human blood cells, 0.5% NaCl belongs to isomeric, isotonic, hypotonic, hypertonic. Correct answer is C. Hypotonic. Ammonia is normally excreted by the kidney to help maintain osmotic pressure of the blood, acid-base balance of the body, low bacterial levels in the urine, normal red blood cell production. Correct answer is B, acid-base balance of the body. Which findings best suggest that nursing interventions for a client with an excessive fluid volume have been effective? Clear breath sounds, normal potassium level, positive pedal pulses, increased urine specific gravity. And the correct answer is A, clear breath sounds. What is the maximum length of time the nurse allow IV bag of solution to infuse into the client? 6 hours, 12 hours, 18 hours, 24 hours. Correct answer is B, 12 hours. What is the pH value of blood? 6.47, 7.48. Correct answer is 7.4. How many common health problems of children in Nepal? 15, 10, 5, 16. Correct answer is C, 5. It is usually performed as life-saving measure in a person who is unable to maintain airway is endoscopy, laparoscopy, tracheostomy, bronchoscopy. Correct answer is C, tracheostomy. All current cases, old and new, existing in a given point in time in a given population is incidence prevalence ratio rates. Correct answer is B, prevalence. The watertight machinery tank into which household sewage is admitted called water seal latrine, pit latrine, septic tank, aquaprabi. Correct answer is septic tank. These are the female gonads lies in a shallow fossa on the lateral walls of the pelvis and each is attached to the upper part of the uterus. These are fallopian tubes, primrdia, broad ligaments, ovaries. Correct answer is D, ovaries. Grading of anemia is less than 7 gram is no clinical anemia, moderate anemia, severe anemia, mild anemia. Correct answer is C, severe anemia. It is primarily determined by the experience of reality and therefore functions on the basis of reality principle and is superego, ego, personality traits. Correct answer is C, ego. The management introduces the nurse to her new job, agency, policies, facilities and co-workers is orientation, delegation, authority, supervision. Correct answer is A, orientation. Nepal's new health policy was developed in 1991, 206, 210, 214. Correct answer is D, 214. The value of sender, message, channel and receiver relationship is called information exchanging ideas, media, communication. Correct answer is D, communication. Which vitamin play the role in tissue oxidation function? Vitamin A, vitamin B12, vitamin K, vitamin C. Correct answer is D, vitamin C. The infection of vagina by protozoa is called vaginitis, Trichomonas vaginitis, Bartholin's problem, vaginal thrush. Correct answer is B, Trichomonas vaginitis. The nurse must know the need to be well thought of by oneself as well as by others in client is physiological needs, security and safety, love, self-esteem. Correct answer is D, self-esteem. A nurse does systematic client-centered care and service delivery is private nursing care, quality nursing care according to nursing process, individual client care. Correct answer is B, quality nursing care. When a nurse taking history of girl find that she never have menstruation is primary menstruation, primary menarche, primary amenorrhea, secondary amenorrhea. Correct answer is C, primary amenorrhea. The correct step of first aid is assessment, give, decide, refer, decide, assessment, give, refer, decide, give, assessment, refer, assessment, decide, give, refer. Correct answer is D, assessment, decide, give, refer. What is the normal range of BMI in women? 19 to 25, 18 to 24, 18.5 to 24.9, 18.2 to 24. Correct answer is C, 18.5 to 24.9. यस्तै भिडियोको लागि मेरो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला, त्यसैगरी यो भिडियोलाई लाइक गर्न नभुल्नुहोला। धन्यवाद।